नमस्ते ITV के सारे दर्शकों का एक बार फिर से स्वागत है. आई थिंक इट्स बीन ऑलमोस्ट 4 weeks since we were not live due to the widespread of COVID-19. I hope you are doing well, you are safe and protected with your kids and your family, and we are really really sorry for your losses. We know that Himali ji always says, you know Himali ji I'm talking about. Yes friends, this is the live program 7:30 to 8 p.m. every Thursday, and we bring Himali ji in the studio, and she always says that God is the supreme power, not us. So let's not waste the time and let's welcome Himali ji. Namaste.
Namaste, namaste,
So
Sharvi
good
ji.
to see you.
Good to see you and good to be here too.
I know.
And it's very good that ITV people let us come today and said we're starting back. I think they did all their sanitation, what they need to do, so we have our social distancing and things.
That's right. I remember that one day I was making a little video inside my car, and people were like, where is your mask? Where are your gloves? I said, yes, I know that I have sanitized everything. Friends, this is the most important task. This should be the first task in the morning or before you go to bed, that you have to make sure that everything is wiped off and everything is sanitized. Right, Himali ji?
Yes.
You are the best.
No. This is a time that I feel that everyone should pray, and we will overcome this. And it has been happening for hundreds of years. It
That's
happened
right.
100 years ago. It happened also after so many years we do get it. And I always say this, that astrology and spiritual is a guidance, but our decision maker is God, Bhagwan, Ishwar himself. So I always tell people, pray at this time. The most difficult time you can do is pray and do the right thing, what our leaders are telling us, what the doctors are telling us, what our political leaders are telling us
That's
too.
right.
So you must follow, and you should also not only consider yourself but others too.
That's right. And please maintain a social distance. No
Yes,
matter.
it is. At this time, I tell everybody, which I feel that a lot of people, when they call me, what we should do, we should pray to Mahakali ji is most. When you realize that in the Kalika Puran mein hai, that I say it in English, so a lot of people will understand.
Right.
That there was a time that all the Rakshas grown so bad that everywhere, when Mahakali ji destroyed the Rakshas, the drop of his blood fall, the Rakshas
And they were
grow
creating more, yes,
more.
out of
So
that.
what Ma did, she took all the blood and all the negativity inside of her. So this coronavirus is like a Rakshas. Everywhere it goes, every little person, anything, it multiplies and it grows.
Right.
So everyone, and if you look at it, as soon as the coronavirus started, we had Puja part time started. We
Right.
had the Ash Wednesday started. Then we had the Easter start.
Yes.
In between, we had the Navratri.
Navratri, yes.
We had also Hanuman Jayanti. And now in 2 weeks, Ruza will start.
Okay.
So everybody in every religion, in all the biggest, the religion in the world, first is Christianity, second is Islam, and third is Hinduism,
Right.
fourth is Buddhism.
Right.
So all the major जो भगवान को मानने वाले हैं,
जी.
the people who are believe in God, is already here. So this time, please, I want you to stay home and pray, and Bhagwan, God, Ishwar will come to you. You don't have to go to mosque, to church, to mandir to find. Bhagwan will come to you wherever you are. And you sit home and you pray. You will only make your inner soul stronger, because what people do, they don't pray, so they become very depressed and they become very sad. A lot of people been home for over a month, so they got cabin fever. So they're very, very depressed. So if you start praying, do not whole day watch movie and sit there on your couch and watch movie and listen to the news. Watch the news once or twice, then do other stuff too. Other things, create things, and I feel we should look at it, everything in life, as a positive way. This is going to teach us or bring us something different that we're going to do that we never would have done if we didn't go into this crisis. I always feel that when we go through a difficult time or koi problem, there is a lesson to be learned in this world. And I feel this is the time that we should spend with our family. We neglected ourselves. well as our family, well as our Bhagwan and our God. This is a very good time to sit and pray. We have gone through this many times. Our ancestors has gone through this, and we will get over this together. And only way you will make yourself stronger is by praying. And make little plans what you're going to do. Don't think about the negative thing what is going to happen to you. Mostly what people will think, oh, everything is destroyed, everything is sad. Don't think that. Think what you can come out better from this.
That's right. All right, friends, as you know that this is the live program and we are taking calls. तो चलिए देखते हैं कौन हमें फ़ोन कर रहे हैं. Hello and welcome to the program. Namaste.
Namaste, this is Minnie.
Hello, Namaste, Bidi. How are you, Bidi?
I'm good, thank you. I'm good, thank you. It's so nice to see Himaliji today. It's been a while. We've been home.
Thank you. It's been a while that I wanted to come on, and I haven't been able to. A lot of people been calling me, and I said today, Ma made it happen that I had to come. So thank you so much,
So
Bidi.
very nice
Your family, everybody
very
okay?
to see you. Everybody is safe. Everybody is good. We just wanted to say hello, and it's just so very nice to see you.
Minnie, would you like to give any message to the viewers who are watching this program right now?
You know, with the guidance from Himaliji and Guruji, we sit and we do meditation every day, which is so important right now, and that's been helping us a lot. So,
That's right.
that's a good thing right now. Yes.
That's right. Be safe, Minnie. Thank you so much. Thank you for watching
So-
the
Thank
program.
Thank you, Bidi. Thank
Thank
you so
you.
much. So we have been doing our pujas on. So everybody will have a number, and we'll have a prayer room where everybody calls in. And the Panditji, we did our Navratri puja. We are doing our regular pujas that we do. So Panditji will be in the prayer place, and from there everybody will connect. So we had almost 100 family connect to do puja every evenings.
Wow, that's wonderful. Namaste. Welcome to ITV Live. Who's this?
This is Bobby here. Jai Mata Di Himali ji.
Jai
Jai
Mata
Mata
Di,
Di
Bobby
Shari ji.
ji. I haven't heard from you almost 4 weeks. Kind of missed
I
you.
know. Where were you missing? We were looking for you.
I've also missed you too very much.
Anyway, Bobby ji, Himali ji is just a call away. I would like to tell all our viewers that we know that we have been not coming live to the program because of the situation, and it's important to stay home and protect everyone and near ones. So, in any case, you think that आपको अगर बात करनी है भाभी जी, Himali ji is just a call away right now. Even if you call at her office, the call will be forwarded to her mobile phone, and you
Oh.
can get your healings, you can get your आपको blessings मिल सकती हैं, आप बात कर सकते हो, और what else
Yes,
we need?
I'm working from home.
Yeah, I was not very sure about it, so इसलिए मेरे को पता नहीं था, अंदाजा नहीं था. और हिमाली जी, how are you doing and how's your
I'm
family?
good,
I
thank
think
you. My
everything is good.
family is great. Thank you so much. How is
I
yours?
actually referred two friends of mine. They were in a dire situation. तो मैंने आपका रेफरेंस दिया था. They wanted to get some healing from you, and I told them that Himali से better कोई भी नहीं है.
Oh,
So I
thank
think
you
they'll
so
get in
much.
touch and please help them out, please.
I will definitely. I think I spoke to one of your friend.
All right.
I spoke
Thank
to
you so
one
much and
person.
take care,
Thank you.
Himali ji.
Thank
भाभी
you.
जी,
You
कोई
too.
आपका मैसेज अभी व्यूवर्स अभी देख रहे हैं, आप काम पे जा रहे हैं?
हाँ जी, मैं काम पे जा रहा हूँ. हिमाली जी की ब्लेसिंग से मैं रोज काम पे जा रहा हूँ और प्रिकॉशंस ले रहा हूँ कोविड-19 के लिए. प्रॉपर्ली मास्क, वेयरिंग ग्लव्स, एंड हिमाली ने मेरे को पूजा बोली हुई है सुबह शाम करने के लिए, विच आई रेगुलरली डू, and it heals me a lot, and touch wood, till date I am perfectly all right, healthy and wealthy.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Himali ji.
Thank you so
good
much.
to hear. Thank you.
Bye bye.
Thank you. Thank
फ्रेंड्स, राइट नाउ आप अभी फ़ोन कर सकते हैं. लाइव प्रोग्राम है. फ़ोन नंबर स्क्रीन के ऊपर है 718-784-8555, और एक्सटेंशन लगाना मत भूलेगा जो कि है 108. वंस अगेन, दिस इज द लाइव प्रोग्राम एंड यू कैन स्पीक टू हिमाली जी ड्यूरिंग द प्रोग्राम. द फोन नंबर आर ऑलवेज ऑन द स्क्रीन, विच इज 718-784-8555, and do not forget to use the extension which is 108. तो चलिए लाइव प्रोग्राम में एक बार फिर यू कैन आस्क एनी क्वेश्चन. अभी आई नो कि ये टाइम जो है ये बहुत, दिस इज़ द वेरी वेरी क्रूशल टाइम. वी डोंट नो हाउ टू deal with our emotions, because even though people are healthy at home, but they have the feelings that they have the symptoms, something is wrong with them. What to do, Himali ji?
Well, there was a great story one time by Guruji said, and
Ji.
he said there were two people, and one, what they did, they got a snake, and one was about a rat. So the one that the person that the rat bit, and they didn't tell which one it was, and the one that the snake bit. So the one who was bit by the rat was told that, oh, you were bit by the snake. And he panicked. He was more sick than what he really was. And the one that was bit by the snake was told that he was bit by the rat, and he didn't panic. He took proper precaution, what he did, and he lived. So what this story means is don't panic. If you do have underlying problem, you will get help. Now they got so much hospitals, so much things, but you don't have to get there now. A lot of people are staying home and they're getting out of this. Just isolate yourself, drink a lot of hot liquid, try banaterena, haldi, try, especially haldi means turmeric tea, take a lot of that every 3-4, if you feel you have it and you think you might have it, then isolate yourself, let somebody bring you by your door, bedroom door, hot tea, hot beverages, and you will feel very weak. Now this is what they're telling me. These are directly people that calling me and asking me to pray for them and to heal them and give them healing. Please, if anybody in the family is going through that, you can call my center, which is 718-880-1955, and it will come straight to my cell phone and tell me who the people who's having the problem, the name and the date of birth, and I will pray for them. At the end is Bhagwan who's in charge, but I will pray for the person, because what happened, praying, it makes them feel there is somebody there. I will light a diya or a candle at home and pray for that person, for Bhagwan, to make them better. And I had a very close friend, which I can't mention her name. She's not a friend, like she's a very good devotee of Ma, but I call her my friend, but she's like a client. So she comes to me, and she, unfortunately, her husband had it, and then he passed away. Then they realized that he had it, because in the beginning they said, oh, you don't have the symptoms, we don't have enough testing, we cannot do it for you. By the time they found out, it was really late. So when she got it, she started to get the symptoms. She started taking medication, whatever, talking to the doctors, give her antibiotic, and I told her, start taking a hot tea, ginger tea, turmeric tea every 2 hours. So the first 2-3 days you feel it, but then the 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th, 9 days is the most difficult, and then you feel very weak. But if you have somebody there who keeps giving you the hot beverages, hot tea, you will be able to fight it and get out of it. And I have seen people who are older also make out of it.
I was about to ask that they're more panicked, and
they're more panicked. Don't be. Just pray to Bhagwan and start taking precaution what you need to. Start isolating, so I wouldn't say isolate, start doing distancing from your family. Anyone who goes out, get that one person to go to get the grocery when they go out. When they come back, tell them go straight into the bathroom, take a shower, wear fresh clothes, come back out, and then start meeting. But still, even at home, you should do social distancing. Like me and my son, we will be doing our social distancing. And you don't need to feel like, oh, I live in the house with the person, it is fine and it's okay, because some people could be just a carrier and they don't survive. They're not the sufferer. So I was telling my friend, so her husband died, she's suffering, she's much better this week, it is day 10 and she's doing really well. But her son is okay, he didn't get anything.
okay.
He didn't feel any symptoms. But if you
in
did
the
it
same
in the same house,
okay.
so it's very difficult to say who's going to go through what, who will go who will be good, who won't be. I have another family very close to me, and they say that it affects the male and not the female. Yes and no, because in that house the husband and wife, they both got sick. Unfortunately the wife passed away, but the husband is okay, he's doing well, he didn't feel that much. So it's really, really hard to say, and I believe it so deeply in my heart is all up to Bhagwan. people tell me all the time, Himaliji, why you say astrology and this is a guidance, this is really correct. I said, no, it will only guide us up to 99%. The rest is up to God, Bhagwan, and in your destiny. That is very impossible for human to know. You have seen people, they will tell you, oh, I have predicted this, I have predicted
Right.
that. No. Only Bhagwan knows, because the reason why you cannot predict the earth and the mother nature, because we don't know the age. What is the birth date? The human birth date, yes, that we know the date and the
Yes, this makes
place.
sense, right.
You can tell about them, but for the earth and for Bhagwan, we cannot tell. You could be close, right, say yes, there is a very difficult time, this will go through, but exactly what, where, it's very hard to say, because we
right.
do not know the birth of earth, the
That's
birth
right.
date.
Friends, I'm sure you're watching this program on Facebook and YouTube as well. So if you think that you have something going on in your mind and you need the consultation, you need the healing, right now this is the time. Himali ji is with us in the studio, and she took out her precious time and her health, and definitely we sanitized everything. But you can speak to Himali ji during the program. The phone number is 718-784-8555 and the extension is 108. And also, as you all know, that we have been doing this program from last almost 6 years, 5-6 years, and this is the time when you need your spiritual healer, where you feel protected, you feel that you are healed, you need those healing words. So I think this is the time. Himali ji, we feel so blessed that we have the direct communication with you, and you never miss any person, any call. You always call back, or you text back, or you send the email. We feel so blessed because people are so alone. They don't have anyone to talk to, especially those old people. When they are going to the hospitals, they have this feeling that we might not come back. So this is the time, as you mentioned.
It is very sad, and it's a very difficult time, but I feel we pray and we look for solution, and we look for the light, like we will say at the end of the
Yes.
tunnel. This will come to an end, but I feel we will do a greater loss as we get to the final, and we gain. It will be a great loss to our society, and the whole universe in this world will be a great loss.
That's a hope, Himali ji. Yes, we pray for that. Himali ji, according to you, what do you think, or what do you suggest those who are watching the program, or in everyday life, what should be the lifestyle during this,
Even this time
pandemic?
or any time, you should have a routine for your pray.
As you always tell.
I always
Yeah.
tell, because if you pray, what makes you is very strong inside. Because if you're not strong inside, then you will let little panic will get into you, and you could, become very distraught, very depressed, and sometime, unfortunately, people are becoming suicidal. So if you pray, you meditate, you pray in your own religion.
Right.
It doesn't have to be in a religion that me and Sherry are following, or me and Sherry are doing. It could be in your own religion, because I believe God is one, Bhagwan is one, Ishwar is one. I'm a very big devotee of Ma. So if those of you are followers of Ma, great. Those of you are not, is great too. So please, I always suggest, when you get up in the morning, my mother was like, you get up in the morning, you take a shower. The first thing you do is take your shower, go to the prayer room, pray, and then you do everything.
Is there any a specific reason to take the shower in the morning?
Yes, I'll tell you why.
Okay.
Because if you think about it, you take a shower, you woken up.
Okay.
You are fresh, you are clean, and the first thing they want you to go to the prayer room. The reason why is because then you start doing other stuff, then you delay your pray, and then you
Yes,
delay.
it happens. Yes.
You realize, okay, I'll just go and do this and then come back to pray. Then it doesn't happen. Oh, I have to do this, do that. No,
Right.
you go first to your prayer room. If
Okay.
everybody can do that,
Okay.
first you do is get up in the morning, take a shower, and do your pray. After you did your pray, that 10 minutes, the 20 minutes, the 30 minutes, I don't mean just go and light a diya, light a candle and run out the room. I mean you sit there and actually literally you sit there, you do your mantra, you do your Simran, you do your part, you do your rosemary, whomever you feel, you sit there and do it for half an hour at least every morning, and then you go and do whatever you need to do in your daily life routine, and you will see how that little will make you stronger.
Very well said, Himali ji, because I have personally experienced that the moment I wake up and I have my tea and then I do little yoga or whatever is the morning, exercise. And then by the time I realize, oh, it's already afternoon. It's like 11
Yes.
o'clock, so it's too late.
Yeah, so it becomes too late. So if you get up in the morning, do the pray, and then you will be able to do your day, and you will
Yes.
feel much stronger and much better. So there was a reason why our parents, our grandparents used to make us get up and take a shower, go take a
Right.
shower, and then they go and pray, and then come.
That's
then
why
come
I
to the
asked that
kitchen.
there has to be a reason to take the shower early in the morning.
If you are a little sleepy, you go, your mind is out of it. You take a head shower, you feel live, and you feel like you're awake, and you can also concentrate and pray. And
Trust me,
a lot of people, they tell me, oh, I do it in the evening. Yes, it's great if you can do morning and evening.
Okay.
But if you say, I'm not going to do the morning, I'll do the evening, and then it gets to the evening and you say, okay, you know what, I'll do it tomorrow morning. So it's not going to work out. If you want God and Bhagwan and Ishwar to help us in the most neediest time in our life, then you need to pray.
Very well said, Himali ji. As you have noticed that these days we have adopted a lifestyle where we are bringing the groceries, we are washing, we are wiping everything off and cleaning our hands. Don't you think that this should be the forever lifestyle? People should be doing it.
Yes, I mean, after this pandemic, people would have changed their lifestyle a lot, and a lot of new technique we would have learned and done that we would never have thought about it or think about it. So I feel there will be some good positiveness will come out of this, that people will able to do and reach out, and they won't feel like, okay, we cannot do this. Now they're doing school online, the kids are
Yes.
doing online, you can meet your, we were doing it before, but not to a great extent. Now people are facing like, I will see my mother-in-law on FaceTime, all my relative and cousins and everybody on FaceTime and see if they're okay, everybody's fine.
Right.
We never used to do it before now. So I think it will become a new, good, positive thing. And I feel, Shariji, a lot of positiveness will come out of this too.
You think so?
Yes, it will teach us to be more wise. It will give us a learn that we cannot take everything for guarantee that we did. And it will teach us to be healthy so that we don't have underlying problem when we get to a certain age. We should start exercising now.
Yes.
We should start dieting well.
Yes.
We shouldn't just rely our health on medicine, because if your immune is strong and you eat right and you exercise, you keep your body, you can live a long life but a healthy life. And if any obstacle come, you will be able to fight it.
Himali ji, there is a category, those people are not being able to survive. Those who were chain smokers, those who were alcoholics, their immune system was already so weak.
Yes.
They couldn't.
So these are the
resist it.
things that now you could learn. You could say, oh, my family, my loved one, my significant other died of COVID-19. Then look why he or she couldn't fight it.
Right.
Why did somebody else fight it and they couldn't? Yes, their time was to go, yes. But if it's my turn to fight, am I healthy enough? Am I ready enough mentally, emotionally to be able to fight this?
That's
I watched a program, a very strong documentary about Ebola, and it's way more dangerous than this. That a pandemic happened in Africa. It started from Nairobi and it followed all of Africa. It also was afraid that it will come into the States and other places. It did. But, Ma Bhagwan, thank God it was stopped at the time. And there are some people did survive it. And those are the people, the remarkably have to say, all they did is pray to God. And they said, they prayed and they prayed and they were in a place that sanitation wasn't like what we have here. They didn't have all this equipment or anything.
Right.
Mostly they had minimum medication and they prayed. So praying, I believe, is the greatest healer, because when you truly pray from your heart, you will be healed.
And especially when you pray in the group, it doubles or multiplies the
Yes, so you don't
energy.
group means you don't have to sit
I mean,
together.
not these days, but in
No,
general.
even that group, you can tell couple of friends of yours and
Oh.
people, because this is how we do healing. That we have Pandit peoples. Me and my Guruji. Guruji has
Ji.
a lot of Pandit people, and we tell them that okay, you did this part now. You have did the Mahamirthan part. You have done this part. Please sit and do the pray for this person, and then Guruji starts focusing and giving them healing. So it is a very powerful that healing does help, and hopefully if we come next week, I will ask the friend to call in to tell that healing helped her, praise helped her.
during this time.
Yes, I'll ask her if she
Awesome.
could call and pray,
Please
let
do
you
that.
know that healing and pray, it helped her to get out of this crisis. It
Right.
does. So if I told her like you got out of this, you can get out of anything, continue praying.
That's right, wonderful. Himali ji, since you have mentioned FaceTime, so during this, I would say that, but do you give the healing on FaceTime?
Yes,
or-
yes, people do. They do call me, and then I do ask for a recent picture or FaceTime. So
Okay.
we do FaceTime, and I do give them readings. I do give them healing. I do pray for them. A lot of people FaceTime me. A lot of people just want to talk on the phone. That's great too.
राइट तो फ्रेंड्स, आपने सुना हिमाली जी ने हमें बहुत कुछ समझाया, आज बहुत कुछ बताया, और हमेशा ही हम अपने प्रोग्राम में कोशिश करते हैं कि कुछ ना कुछ ऐसा आपको बताएं जिससे कि आपकी जो विल पावर है, आपकी स्ट्रेंथ है, वो और ज़्यादा मोटिवेट हो और आप बिल्कुल भी डिप्रेस ना हो। हमने कभी नहीं सोचा था कि ऐसा ये टाइम हमारी लाइफ में आएगा और हम अपने घरों में कैद हो जाएंगे जबकि इतनी टेक्नोलॉजी इतनी हाई है। बट प्लीज़ इफ़ यू थिंक दैट यू आर नॉट अलोन इन दिस, हम सभी इसमें हैं। आप हिमाली जी से बात कर सकते हैं। हिमाली जी का एड्रेस और फ़ोन नंबर स्क्रीन पर है फ्रेंड्स, और आप वो नोट डाउन करके अगर डायल भी करते हैं तो सीधा उनके फ़ोन पर कॉल्स फॉरवर्ड हो रही हैं, आप बात कर सकते हैं, डिस्कस कर सकते हैं, बिकॉज वी ऑल नीड समबडी एंड दिस इज़ अ ब्लेसिंग दैट वी हैव समवन whom we can just talk straight and direct from दिल से हम बात कर सकते हैं, राइट हिमाली जी?
Yes, and a lot of people are praying. A lot of religion people, they're praying throughout for the whole world is praying. And I also pray to Bhagwan Tuba to remove this negative thing so that people will be able to live and get back to normal.
We definitely need it. और
And I tell people to look at it at a time, like if, especially for people who have small businesses. If you are laid off, okay, you will find a job, you will find something. But people who have businesses is really affecting them a lot. Some people are not being able to, won't be able to open back. But don't lose hope and see what you can do. Think about, okay, this is the time that I need to plan what I can do better. Don't sit there and think about the negative is happening. Think what you can do to positive, because our human mind is one of the most powerful thing that we can do to ourselves. We can make it all great for ourselves, or we can destroy ourselves. So I think people should sit there this time and think what you could do, what is good for you, what you can do. A lot of people, if you feel like you want to talk to me and say, I used to have this business, now it's going to shut down, Himali ji, what can I do which will improve and be better? That your horoscope can predict better for
That's
you.
right.
Then, and I feel like now day by day this thing is getting less and less. So I feel by the May, middle of May, we will get good news, and June things should get back together, and July.
हिमाली जी, कुछ सेकंड रह गए हैं और जाते जाते आपके व्यूअर्स के लिए क्विक सा मैसेज।
I pray to Bhagwan to keep you all healthy and safe, and everyone in this world. And I pray to Ma every day from the bottom of my heart. And I wish you all a very healthy weekend. I'll see you all next week.